This week, 4 policemen in the United States detained a black man called George Floyd on suspicion of using fake money in a store. One policeman held Floyd on the ground, putting his knee on his neck for at least 7 minutes. Floyd repeated several times that he could not breathe. However, the policeman did not remove his knee, and eventually he stopped talking. An ambulance took Floyd to hospital, but sadly it was too late. He was already dead. The 4 white policemen were fired. However, protests soon started all over the United States. People were angry and wanted an investigation. Later in the week, protesters set fire to a police station. Police responded with tear gas and plastic bullets. The protests have now spread to many other countries, such as the UK, Italy, Germany, and France.